Hello, Brent Zimmerman here, Midlands Home Inspections, performing home inspection out here in Papillion today. I want to point out the microwave, new model installed. Everything's working well with that. Pick the vent on, everything vents to the exterior of the house, nothing's coming through, no recirculation on that. But when you come around the wall here, what they're doing is they're venting here into the laundry room. Here's the microwave vent. Follow that back around, and it actually ties in with the dryer vent down here behind the dryer, then exits the home. Definitely an improper install on that vent over the range from the microwave, so we'll definitely be recommending a contractor to come back in here and get that vent properly vented to the exterior of the home. Brent Zimmerman, Midlands Home Inspections, looking for you.